One more thing, I'm going to bring in the completed stage that you saw when we started off, just to show you smart placements. And then Frank will get into more detail in terms of how they can be beneficial for us in terms of having them tied to our alignment and then also extracting intelligent data. So right now you'll see these black arrowheads. These are basically defining the locations of bearings. We do not want to get that refined when we do the modeling within Allplan Bridge, but we could create a library of objects within Allplan Engineering that can be anchored to these points, and that way the D10 can be refined and the model can be refined in a manner that's also controlled, and all the geometry is linked to the alignment to help for change management and making sure the accuracy of the model is maintained.